Hi, my name is Matthew Claxton, and today I'm going to be presenting the importance of information behavior research. On today's agenda, we're going to be walking through a brief introduction of information behavior, going through a literature review, a critique, a trend analysis, future directions of information behavior, and a personal reflection. Information behavior refers to the way individuals seek, use, manage, and share information and encompasses the various activities people engage in to meet their informational needs, which can include searching information, evaluating sources, and interpreting data. Information behavior research is a study of information across sectors that draws from various disciplines, such as psychology, sociology, information science, and human-computer interaction. Now let's jump into the literature review. First article, Security of Information and Network. This article delves into the security of information and security networks, focusing on the challenges posed by evolving threats within this evolving technology. This article dives into the innovations such as machine learning and AI, zero trust architecture, and lastly, multi-factor authentication. This is relevant to information behavior as it highlights how individuals and organizations manage security risk and adapt their behaviors to protect sensitive information in an increasing evolving landscape. Next, we're going to be talking about the knowledge graph-based method for consistency detection and network security policies. This article describes knowledge-based graphs and explains how these graphs represent and analyze the relationships between networks and identification of inconsistencies in security policies. The author's primary claim is to clearly identify links between behavior patterns linked to an increased number of attacks and exploits on vulnerabilities. This article demonstrates the role of knowledge representation in enhancing information retrieval and decision-making for secure information management systems, a part of information behavior. Next, we have an empirical study of reflection attacks using NetFlow data. This article analyzes NetFlow data to try to interpret when and where cyber attacks could happen. The primary claim of both authors is that using NetFlow data logs, you can directly observe characteristics of the network environment to predict future behaviors. This article demonstrates how patterns and data influence decision-making and behavior in managing cyber threats effectively. The next article we have is revealing the exploitability of heap overflow through POC analysis. The authors introduce Heap Overflow Exploitability Evaluator tool, which is designed to assess whether heap overflow vulnerability can be exploited based on proof of concepts generated by fuzzers. The authors conclude that certain commonalities in heap overflow POCs can serve as indicators of exploitability, helping developers and security experts better understand and mitigate vulnerabilities. All of these insights help to establish a clear claim that understanding and becoming familiar with proof of concepts, we can better structure our network environments. The next article we have is the multitask scenario encrypted traffic classification and perimeter analysis. This article presents methods for improving encrypted traffic classification by using machine learning and deep learning models. This research is relevant to information behavior because it deals with the collection, processing, and classification of network data, which is a critical part of cybersecurity and data management. The scope of this research is understanding patterns linked to behavior so we can decrease the number of malicious attacks on a given network. Lastly, we have AHP-based network security situation assessment for industrial Internet of Things. This article aims to present an approach for assessing network security risks of the industrial Internet of Things. The authors propose using AHP and multi-criteria decision-making method to assess the rank of relative importance of various security attributes of the IIoT context. This method includes building a hierarchical structure, creating a judgment matrix, and calculating the weights for different security factors based on their relevant importance. The primary claim that this research provides is a structured and effective way to assess network security, offering a scalable solution. Next is a Through the scope of each of these research articles, several common themes emerge regarding how individuals and systems interact with, process, and utilize data within various technological and cybersecurity contexts. Given that my career objective is expertise within the field of cybersecurity, all of these research articles aim to discover new ways of interpreting information behavior in a variety of contexts to secure our future in regard to our network infrastructure. Each of these articles involved key areas of information behavior such as information management, information sharing, and information processing. The various methods of these sources are either qualitative, quantitative, mixed, or empirical analysis. Now let's go ahead and jump into the trend analysis chart. Okay, for each of the articles, there is a research design, methodology, theoretical approach, and limitations and outcomes for each of the 6 sources. And trend analysis summary, as shown in the chart, each of these articles use different research methods and designs to formulate their scopes of research. However, the recurring trend in these studies is that increasing reliance on automated, data-driven, and AI-enhanced approaches to handle the complexity and scalability of cybersecurity and modern systems. While the human element in decision-making behavior is still relevant, there's a significant move toward making these systems self-sufficient. The future directions of information behavior. As AI systems and machine learning technology continue to advance within our society, and the outlook for information behavior looks bright, with the multitasking capabilities of the new technology, the future looks to be more automated and efficient. However, this new technology has potential obstacles such as privacy and ethics and trust concerns, which can limit the ability of progression. My personal reflection on information behavior. At the beginning of the semester, my information behavior was unprofessional and lacking in terms of sophistication. My search process was skim reading and surface-level interactions with information, leaving much of the truth undiscovered. However, this has changed significantly throughout the semester. I understand now that understanding better quality sources, especially scholarly sources, filled with concise information, were actually all I was missing to take my professional development to the next level. These are the references. And lastly, thank you for listening to my presentation. Have a great day. Bye.